Hi everybody and welcome. Today we are about to be discussing how to add Shopify store to Google Analytics. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So if we head over to our online store and then head over to preferences, you can see we have Google Analytics integration right away, and we do not even need to install any integration or build a specific app. So you can directly click onto this setup Google and you will be directed towards your Google Analytics integration or combination section. You need to provide these you can say like access and permissions. I hope you're good with these, and once you do, you can see you simply need to click on install and you're good to go. So that is going to do the job. And yeah, and hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.